tell you today about the mucormycosis. You know mucormycosis, why this mycosis is known as black fungus. This black fungus has been seen in 2005. In 15 years before, this mycosis which has been shown in the worldwide, that known as the zygomycosis. Zygomycosis is a fungus that emerge in this interiors in your bodies like eyes and ear. The mucosis which has been essentially found in your eyes and the ear, inside the ears where the ear pinna is in your body. दोस्तों, this is things is very dangerous for everyone. As you see in 2021, most probably these cases has been seen in several states and as well as this Indian territories. Also, Delhi is the only union territories that most of the cases has been seen the mucormycosis. Mucormycosis and zygomycosis both have the one name, that is divided by the zygomycosis. Yani you have to know, you have to think in your mind that in 2015 zygomycosis was the name, the change in 2021 that known as the mucormycosis, because this mycosis which affect your retina, where the your any word opticals has been shown in your eyes, and then after you have just realized that whatever the things is going on now. Friends, this is the most effective part of the ear pinnas and as well as lung also. That's enough.